I love Chinese. Chinese food's my favourite. So when I did night school, I did a cookery course on Oriental cooking. And this is one of my favourite recipes, which is chicken in black bean sauce. So I've fried my chicken off first, and then I've got an onion, which I've just chopped up roughly. And then we're adding garlic and a bit of chilli. Mix that all in. Now I'm adding preserved black beans. You can get this from the Chinese supermarket, usually in big cities, Glasgow, Edinburgh, Manchester, but you can also buy them online as well. You don't need a lot, but they do keep quite a long time. You just need a tablespoon, say, chopped up finely to add to your dish. And they're not expensive, very cheap, and they keep for quite a while. So put that in. Now I'm going to add a carrot, which I've thinly sliced, a pepper that I've chopped up roughly, and my black beans. They're quite big, black beans. Well, not big. I've just chopped them up finely-ish, and I'm going to throw them all into my pan. Mix them all up so you can see it all. I do like a black bean sauce. So it's had about 5 minutes cooking, just to soften the carrots and the onion and the pepper. I'm going to add my chicken stock. A good dollop of dark soy sauce. And about a teaspoon of sugar. Bring the heat of the chilli out. Well, that. I'm going to let that reduce down, and then we'll thicken it up and we'll serve it with boiled rice. Looking forward to this. So I've thickened my sauce with a bit of cornflour, and here we have chicken in black bean sauce. I've got some boiled rice, but obviously you don't have to use chicken if you don't want to. Any meat will do. And don't forget, any leftovers you can freeze. There you have it, chicken in black bean sauce. I'm going to enjoy this.